everyone, my name is Aleya.
My name is Sania.
My name is Wafiah.
My name is Akmal.
Welcome to our Halal product review presentation.
For this assignment, we are required to review 4 imported products available in Malaysia market based on halal requirement and legal control. What is the objective of this video?
The objective of this video is to review imported products that are halal certified by foreign halal certification body, also known as FHCB, from different countries. Swipe!
The 4 products selected include food, meat, cosmetic and pharmaceutical product. Through this presentation, we aim to increase awareness on the importance of halal certification, halal logo and proper labeling, especially for Muslim consumer in Malaysia.
FHCB refers to Halal Certification Organisation from other countries that are responsible for certifying products according to Islamic halal standards in their respective countries.
In Malaysia, imported product must be certified by halal certification bodies that are recognized by JAKIM to ensure the products comply with Malaysian halal requirements. Swipe!
This system helps to protect halal integrity by ensuring that halal compliance is maintained throughout the production, processing and distribution stages, even when the products are produced outside Malaysia.
The product chosen is Samyang Ramen, which is a popular instant noodle imported from South Korea and available in Malaysia market. In this video, I will review Samyang Ramen based on 4 halal requirements, which include the halal certification body, the halal certification process, and the manufacturer and importer, and the labeling requirement. Instant noodles are widely consumed because they are convenient and affordable. However, for Muslim consumer, imported food products like ramen must be carefully reviewed to ensure that they comply with halal requirement. That is why halal certification is very important, especially for product imported from non-Muslim countries. For Samyang Ramen, the halal certification is issued by the Korea Muslim Federation, also known as KMF. KMF is a recognized halal certification body in South Korea and is acknowledged by JAKIM to certify halal products for export. The halal logo is issued by KMF can be clearly seen on the Samyang Ramen packaging. This halal logo indicates that the product has been reviewed and approved according to Islamic halal standard. For the halal certification process, the manufacturer must submit product document and ingredient information to the halal certification body. KMF will review the ingredient used, the production process, and ensure that there is no cross-contamination with non-halal material. An audit may also be conducted to verify halal compliance at the manufacturing facility. Once all the halal requirements are fulfilled, the halal certificate is approved and the product is allowed to display the halal logo. This product is manufactured by Samyang Food Co. Ltd in South Korea, and this product is imported by Singlong Food Products Nurul in Sania. We look at the labeling requirement of Samyang Ramen. Firstly, the ingredient list is clearly stated on the packaging, allowing consumer to check the content of the product. Secondly, the expiry date is provided to ensure that the product is safe for consumption. Other important information such as country of origin, halal logo, and imported details are also included. Clear and complete labeling help consumer make informed purchasing decision and ensure compliance with Malaysian food labeling regulation. In conclusion, Samyang Ramen meets the halal requirement for imported food products. The product is certified by a recognized foreign halal certification body, follow a proper halal certification process and complies with labeling requirement. This allow Muslim consumer in Malaysia to enjoy the product with confidence.
Section, I will be presenting the meat product selected for our halal product review. The product chosen is halal meat, which is imported from India and available in the Malaysia market. Meat products are considered high risk in halal compliance. Therefore, stricter halal requirement and control are required. Halal meat based on based on 4 halal requirement, which is include the halal certification body, the halal certification process, and the manufacturer and importer, and the labeling requirement. Meat product require special attention in halal compliance because they are directly related to the slaughtering process. If the slaughtering process does not follow Islamic requirements, the meat will not be considered halal, even if the ingredients are halal. Therefore, halal certification for meat product focus not only on ingredient but also on how the animal is slaughtered, processed, stored and transported. For Alana meat, the halal certification is issued by Halal India. Halal India is a recognized halal certification body that oversees halal certification for product produced in India, including meat and meat product. This organization is responsible for ensuring that halal slaughtering and processing are conducted according to Islamic principle. The halal logo issued by Halal India can be clearly seen on the Alana meat packaging. This halal logo indicates that the product has been inspected and approved by the halal certification body. For the halal certification process, the manufacturer must apply for halal certification and submit all required documents to the halal certification body. Halal India will review the slaughtering method, ensuring that the animal is slaughtered by Muslim slaughtermen using a sharp knife and in according with Islamic requirement. The processing facility is also audited to ensure the halal meat is not contaminated with non-halal material. Once all halal requirements are fulfilled and approved, the halal certification is issued for the meat product. For this product, it is manufactured by Alana House, Alana Road, Colaba, Mumbai, India. And it's imported by Alana Malaysia Food Sendirian Berhad Pavilion Damansara High. Next, we will look at the labeling requirement for Alana meat. First, the product name and type of meat are clearly stated on the packaging. Second, the halal logo is displayed clearly indicating that the product is halal certified. Other important information such as the country of origin, manufacturer details, importer information and expire date are also included. In conclusion, Alana meat meets the halal requirement for imported meat product. The product is certified by a recognized foreign halal certification body, follow a proper halal slaughtering and certification process, and complies with labeling requirement.
For this section, I will be presenting the pharmaceutical product selected to our halal product review. The product we choose is Black Morse, which is a well-known supplement brand available in the Malaysian market. Pharmaceutical products are very important to review from a halal perspective because they are directly consumed and may contain complex ingredients. In this section, I will explain the halal certification of Black Morse based on 4 main requirements, the halal certification body, the halal certification process, the manufacturer and the importer, and the labeling requirements. The halal certification is obtained from Australia. The halal certification body involved is Halal Australia, which operates under a recognized halal authority. The halal logo can be clearly seen on the Black Morse product packaging, which indicates that the product has been reviewed and approved according to halal requirements. Next, I will explain the halal certification process for pharmaceutical products. The process starts when the manufacturer submits an application along with detailed documentation including ingredient list, source of raw material and production flow chart. The halal certification body then review all ingredients used, especially critical ingredients such as capsule, gelatin and additive. The production facility is also assessed to ensure that there is no cross-contamination between halal and non-halal materials. An audit is conducted to evaluate the halal management system, hygiene practice and compliance with halal requirements. Once all halal requirements are fulfilled and approved, the halal certification is issued, allowing the product to be marketed as halal certified. Secondly, the usage instruction and dosage information are Secondly, for this product, it is manufactured by Catalan Australia Pty Ltd and it is imported by Blackmores Sdn Bhd Malaysia. Secondly, the usage instruction and dosage information are provided, which is very important for consumer safety. The expiry date and batch number are also included to ensure product quality and traceability. Most important, the halal logo is displayed clearly on the packaging, which helps Muslim consumers make informed purchasing decisions. Without halal certification, consumer may not be able to identify whether the product contains non-halal substance. Therefore, halal certification serves as an important tool to protect Muslim consumers and maintain trust in pharmaceutical products.
For this section, I will be presenting the cosmetic product selected for our halal product review. The product chosen is Wardah, which is a well-known cosmetic brand from Indonesia and it's also available in Malaysia market. Cosmetic products are important to review from a halal perspective because they are used directly on skin and may contain various chemical and animal-derived ingredients. In this presentation, I will review Wardah based on 4 halal requirements: the halal certification body, the halal certification process, the manufacturer and importer, and the labelling requirement. Many people may think that the halal requirement only apply to food, but in reality, cosmetic products are also imported in halal compliance. Some cosmetic products may contain ingredients derived from animal, alcohol, or other critical substances that may not be halal. Therefore, halal certification for cosmetic helps to ensure that the ingredient, production process and handling comply with Islamic principles. For Wardah products, halal certification is obtained from Indonesia. Indonesia has a structured halal certification system managed by Halal Indonesia. This halal certification body is responsible for ensuring that product comply with halal requirement including cosmetic and personal care products. The halal logo can be clearly seen on Wardah product packaging. This logo indicates that the product has been evaluated and approved according to halal standard, giving confidence to Muslims for consume. For the halal certification process, the manufacturer must submit an application along with product information and ingredient must include the detail of the halal certification body. The ingredients used in cosmetic are reviewed to ensure that they do not contain prohibited substance such as porcine-derived material. The manufacture process is also evaluated to ensure that halal integrity is maintained from raw material to final packaging. Once all halal requirements are fulfilled, the halal certified is approved and the product is allowed to display the halal logo. Wardah Cosmetics are manufactured by Paragon Technology and Innovation, which is a well-established cosmetics manufacturer in Indonesia. The manufacturer information is clearly stated on the product packaging. Next, we look at the labelling requirement for Wardah Cosmetics. First, the ingredient list is clearly stated on the packaging, allowing consumer to identify the content of the product. Secondly, important information such as the batch number and the expiry date are also included to ensure the product safety and quality. For this product, is manufactured by PT Paragon Technology and Innovation, Tangerang, Indonesia. And it is imported by Pharmacies Technology Innovation, Sdn Bhd, Perdana Industrial Park, Port Klang, Selangor. Other details such as the halal logo, country of origin and manufacturer information are also clearly displayed. Clear labelling helps consumer make informed choice and ensure compliance with cosmetic labelling requirement. In conclusion, Wardah meets the halal requirement for cosmetic product. The product is certified by recognized foreign halal certification body FHCB, follow a proper halal certification process and comply with labelling requirement.